Are you having issues with your AWS key? It won't let you log in because of permissions? Stay tuned, I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, here's what we got to do. We got to locate the key file, open its properties, disable inheritance, remove other users, and log in. Okay, so I'm going to try and log in. Standard SSH, logging in. And we'll get the error message. Okay, unprotected private key file, etc., etc. So this is always done on a new key using Windows. So here's how we solve it. We go over to the Explorer, we locate the key, we right-click it, we go for Properties, we go to Security, then down to Advanced. Right here, we're going to disable inheritance first. So choose the one above, not the remove all. Convert inherited permissions. All right, and then there's an extra user that's not me on this particular file, so we remove that. We'll press Apply, hit OK, close that down, come back, and we're going to try and log in. And boom, there we go. Simple Simon. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for this one. It's a quickie. Hopefully it solves a problem that you may have had in terms of logging into AWS. And I will catch you in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff.